Hi, I'm Bob Price, editor at Still Motoring magazine. We've been running 3 months now, and I'm here to ask anybody who wants to contribute an article regarding their modern classic, please get in touch. Our email is on our site at www.stillmotoring.com. The magazine is the third copy of our magazine is out within the next couple of days, and you can get it at locally at stores in Kinallen, Dromara, Ballynahinch and Katesbridge. And if you've got a classic to sell, we've got free ads available. So think about us whenever you're selling, and whenever you want to contribute a short article and with some pictures about your pride and joy. Thank you.